If you want to add a new number on WhatsApp and start chatting, this video will show you exactly how to do it. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, tap the plus icon at the top. From here, choose New Contact. Now, enter the person's details. Type in their first name, last name if you want, and then select the country code. After that, enter their phone number carefully. Make sure the number is correct. Then tap Done or Save. If the person is already using WhatsApp, their contact will automatically appear, and you can start messaging them right away. There's also another option. If someone gives you a WhatsApp QR code, tap Add via QR code. Allow camera access and scan their code. You can also choose a QR code from your photo library. If your new contact doesn't show up, go to Settings, then Apps, find WhatsApp, and tap Contacts. Make sure contact access is set to Allow so WhatsApp can sync your phone contacts. That's it. You've successfully added a number on WhatsApp. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple WhatsApp tips.